Experiment for DNA extraction. So in the beginning of the video, you already see what is the material that we need for this experiment. So in here, I'm using mango for this practical. So you can choose any type of fruit at your home. And then the first thing that you need to do is squish your fruits until it's smooth. So if you have difficulties to make it smooth using fork or a spoon, just take a plastic and put the fruit inside the plastic and just squish it until smooth like this, right? So and then after that, you take 100 milliliter of water. So if you don't have any beaker glass at your home, you can use cup. And if you are confused how to make it 100 milliliter, so just take your test tube and then put the water until 10 milliliter in your test tube, and then put the water into the cup for 10 times, so you have 100 milliliter of water. So next thing that you need to do, you need to put 1 teaspoon of salt to the 100 milliliter of water. 1 teaspoon here, and then you put 1 teaspoon of the liquid dish detergent. Oops. Okay. Here, and stir it until it's dissolved. Okay, after this, you need to mix the water and also with the fruit that you already make it smooth. Okay, here just put the fruit inside of this glass. Alright everyone, because my cup is too small, or my beaker is too small, so I change it into the bigger one. Here, you stir it until that mix with the salt and the soap and also the water. Okay. Alright. So you already have it. Take your cheesecloth to filter this solution. Here, take this to filter the solution. Okay. I'm going to use this. This okay, here is the solution that I already filtered, and then put it for 7 milliliter of this solution into test tube using the pipette. Alright, next put the alcohol for 7 milliliter to the test tube. Gently add the alcohol, okay? Okay, So here I already put the alcohol inside of the test tube. So if you see in here, you see something cloudy, and that's the DNA.